Hi! Good morning! So, kahapon, dumating yung package na pinadala sa akin nila tita. Na-open ko na siya actually, pero nag-timelapse lang ako, kaya hindi ko napakita lahat manually or isa-isa, individually. Pero let's do a run-through sa mga pinadala nila tita. Okay? So, first, we have our, what do you call this? Anong tawag dito? We have our mini laptop. Ano tawag dito?
Chromebook.
Chromebook. We have our Chromebook. And we also have a charger na merong thumbs up. Thumbs up na kamay. There you go. And ang lalagyan niya, also, ito, lalagyan. Next, itong para kay Meyer, we have this pretty blanket. Wait lang. Tada! Can you see? This is so cute! This is so cutesy. Yeah. Next, we also have this. Ang laman niya is ito. Tada! So cute. Very cutesy. Dad, help me please. We also have this. This is a hair clip. Super cute. Dad, please help me dyan. Then we have this chocolates. Yung iba na sa ref na. We have 3 chocolates and na ganito, tagtatatlo. And this one. Super, thank you! Pakiano mo muna dito, please. We also have this very cute tote bag. See? Okay, sarado daw ng lang. Konti. Hindi na ako makita. Wala na ilaw. Hayag na po dyan. Okay. Pwede na. Okay, perfect. See? This is a very cutesy. My favorite color, purple. And we have puzzles para kay Maya. Thank you po. And stickers. And we also have another sticker. Where is it? Here. Another sticker representing. And then we also have this knitting machine. We also have numbers. Perfecto masyado kay nagsusulat na si Meyer. Nag-start na siya magsulat. And coloring book. Let's just appreciate first ang princess. And brain booster. Grabe. I like this kind of books. Si Meyer din. It's so brand new. Meyer. Gustong-gusto ni Meyer ng mga books lately. And a Barbie. We also have hair tie. Daddy, itunon mo kaya siya sa kuha. We also have this bag. Dito nakalagay yung mga sabon and toothpaste kahapon. Pero nilipat namin siya. So this, yan. Very spacious bag. Tapos, nakaka-amaze siya kasi pwede mo ilagay dito yung shoes. Para hindi madumihan yung damit. Okay? Next. Yeah. Aray! We also have another chocolate. Tada! And ito, damit. There, no. Ito yung t-shirt niya. And then, we have a pink version. This is a pink version. And we have a mattress. Like, super haba. It's A, B, C, D, and animals. Thank you so much po. May matutulugan na si Inday Silent Meyer. Ano ba? And then, we have 4 kinds of this, noodles. May dalawang shrimp, ang isa maanghang, ang isa hindi. And the other one is curry. Nandyan pa ba yun? Binaba ko na kasi yung dalawa, pero may dalawa pang naiwan. Ito, tsaka ito. Ito. Tadaan! And also, we have a very pretty bag. And nakaka-amaze kasi meron siyang 3 sling, which I don't know how to use. But I'm gonna figure it out. And then, a very, 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 very cutesy na bag. A Prada bag. This is my first time. Where's the Prada bag, Dad? Here. Look. See? This is a Prada bag. And it's so suspicious. Kasi super ganda niya. Spacious pala. Bobo naman to. Spacious pala po. Suspicious. Nakakapaghinala. Ano ba? Anong Tagalog nun? Anong Tagalog sa suspicious man? Spacious. Spacious yung malaki. Suspicious yung basta yun. Ayun. We have a Prada. A very big Prada. Parang pang mami talaga siya kasi it's so big. I don't know how to... Hindi po ako marunong gumamit ng mga mamahaling bag. See? Thank you so much. That was my first Prada. And we have clothes. Meron tayong mga damit. First, this green t-shirt na malaki na ibibigay natin kay Tito Sam, kay Kuya Sam. We also have this purple t-shirt. We also have, eto, may pangalan talaga lahat. TJ. Kaya lang, yung kay TJ, medyo maliit, malaki na si TJ. Parang papupunta to sa akin. Lang kami, swap lang kami. Tapos, we have clothes here. This is for me, Chrisan, pero medyo malaki siya, so I decided na ibigay na lang to kay Sam or kay TJ. And we also have this. And also, this is for me. Kaya lang, this is maganda man. And this is t-shirt. But unisex siya. This is my name. Kaya I'm deciding to give na lang to kay Sam or kay Timothy. Next, we have this pretty, very pretty light. Ang cutesy niya. Nilagay na namin to sa isang bag. Aray, para kung na-hilo. Ayan, lagay natin. Oh, instant ring light. Wala, 10%. Then we have another t-shirt for Timothy, kay TJ. See? Oh, and we have this very comfy na punda. Tadaan! Okay. And ito yung kay Sam na separate ko na. We have here. Okay. This is very cute. Masyadong fancy Sam-Sam ng ganito. This one. Let me put it here. Baka maghalo-halo. And then we also have this Dior. And we also have another polo shirt, the purple and a blue one. And we also have another polo shirt which is the navy blue. And another t-shirt, this one. Actually, meron pang dalawang t-shirt, yung red at saka yung anong color, black. Yung kay Sunny is masyadong si Sunny, nagamit niya na po kahapon. We have a pretty comb with a flower design. That yung shoes. And we have 2 kind of this. We have 2 variety, 4. Bali, hindi siya different variety. Pero dalawang ganito. Dalawang tagdadalawa, so bali 4. And we have shoes. And another shoes. Kasya to kay Uncle Sunny. So, sabi niya, yan na lang daw ang sa kanya. And, eto. We have this kind of shoes na gustong-gusto ni Tito Sam, ni Kuya Sam. And, so pair niya to. And we also have this black shoes na bagay kay Timothy kasi magaan. Kasi nagte-tennis siya. He also have this one. Siguro it's either kay Sam or kay Tim ito mapupunta. Depende sa kanila, sa size ng paa nila. And we also have this white shoes. Hindi ko na pinakita yung other pair. So, white shoes, it could be kay Sam or kay Timothy. Next, we have this very heavy bag kasi dito po nilipat. This is another bag. Hindi siya katulad ng isa. This is Adidas. And dito namin nilipat yung mga sabon. We have this, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Nagamit na namin yung isa at saka nabigyan namin yung mga ka-board mate namin ng nag-iisang sabon. And then we have toothpaste. We have 4 plus 3, 7 toothpaste. Yung tatlo, yung dalawa, nabigay namin sa ka-board mate namin. And then yung isa, ginamit na namin. So, meron na tayong 4. Ano ba? Meron pa ba sa loob, Dad? Meron pa ba sa loob?
No.
Sa loob? Meron pa ba dito? Wala na. So, that's it, everyone. I think that's all. Yun lang yun. Ang hirap mag-Tagalog, mag-English. I mean, mas komportable kasi ako mag-Ilonggo or mag-Bisaya. That's it. That's the things. Yan yung laman ng padala nila tita na package. Thank you so much. Di pa namin alam exactly kailan kami magkikita-kita ng mga kapatid ko. But hopefully, after during or before the oath taking. Again, thank you so much, tita. Ingat kayo.